Hello, it's Chris from My Stamp Lady. I'm here today to show you a few of the stamp sets that Stampin' Up! Has that are retiring May 31st. This one is just a fun one. It's from the Occasions catalog. It is the Magical Day bundle. It comes with this stamp set in the bundle and then the coordinating Magical Mates framelets. You can also buy them separately, but if you buy them together, it's a 10% savings. The Stylized Birthday is in the regular catalog, the annual catalog, and this one is just available in a wood stamp. It's a single stamp, but it's a great birthday stamp. Okay, so this is the card I'm going to make for you. It's just with this fun, delightful little knight and the dragon and then the happy birthday. And I'm going to show you how quick and easy and how adorable this card is. To start off with, I stamped the knight and the dragon in Tuxedo Black ink. I am going to use the Stampin' Blends to color these. I love using the Stampin' Blends. They just have such a nice color, easy to do. I didn't even really do a lot of blending, but I am going to use the Stampin' Blends to color these in. Now I will also be cutting them out. Let me grab my dies. I'll cut them out with the coordinating dies with the Big Shot. So you do need a die cutting machine, a Big Shot, to cut those out. It does take a little bit of time to color them, so I have done them ahead of time. So I've used the Old Olive, the Grays, and Pumpkin Pie to color these really cute little guys, and this is how they come once they've been colored. So I can set those aside. Now for my card base, I have the thick Whisper White cardstock, and this is folded in half. I love using the thick Whisper White because it's a nice heavy card base. I will be inking up that happy birthday. This is the Stylized Birthday. It's a great birthday stamp, and we're just going to stamp it right at the top here, up near the fold, and this is in Pumpkin Pie. So the next step is from the Magical Day. It is this little sparkly type stamp. I am going to just go in and add a few sparkles around the birthday. There we go. From the Coordinating Myths and Magic cardstock, Designer Series paper specialty stack, I am using some of the designer paper. It is just amazing, and each piece has one printed side and then it has a side, and they all coordinate with that stamp set, and then they have a little bit of glitter added to them. I think you can see that there. So I have a piece of that already cut out, and I'm just going to put this down on the card front, and I'm actually not using the little glitter side, which is kind of hard on these sometimes. It's just fun to use the glitter, but I'm not going to this time. Okay, so there's my card front, and we're going to get that embellishment on there. So I used one of the largest ovals, the stitch shape ovals, with my Big Shot, and then from the layering ovals, I used a scallop. But before I put this down, I'm going to take a little bit of my Dapper Denim. I put a little bit of ink onto a clear block, and I'm just going to get my aqua painter going, and I'm just going to add a little bit of color to my background here. I just want to add a little so that it's not stark white. Okay, and we'll give this a chance to dry. Okay, so now that's dried. Let's just mount that onto that layering piece right here on the card, or on the for the card front. And then we'll put down our dragon. And this really normal when you color with the blends that it comes through. So our alcohol markers were really popular when they were introduced. Stampin' Up! Went through them really quickly. But on the good side is that they will be available again very soon. I think June 1st is the date they're scheduled. I'll have to double check that though. Okay, so I put a little dimensional on there just to pop him up, give him a little bit of lift, and now I'm going to place that right down on that card front. So a little bit of pattern paper, a little bit of coloring, and some shapes. And what little guy is not going to love this birthday card? So now for my inside, I'm going to pull back my Dapper Denim. And now I have the sentiment that says, hope your day is magical. And this will work as a nice, fun inside greeting. And then I'm going to go back to those little sparkles that I put on the front. And we can just add a little bit of sparkle around the inside. So now I have my front done with the knight and then the inside. I have also done one for a little mermaid. And this is that paper again. This is one of the squares from that stitch shape, and then just an oval of the designer series paper from that. And this time I got to use the little sparkly side. This is from another die set, and then just a little bit of embossing on the background. And you have a fun set. The Magical Day set is going to be no longer available after May 31st. Wonderful, and it's a lot of fun. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me, Chris, at mystamplady.com, and you can find all the supplies in my online store at shopwithmystamplady.com. Thanks so much for watching.